All right, today we're going to do a video of a Harig Easy Surf. It's a 618. It's serial number 252EZ. Hydraulics are on right now. Start just a basic reciprocation so you can see the table back and forth. You have a manual control, flow control here to speed up and slow down your table for whatever part you're doing. You can start your spindle. Spindle's nice and quiet, nice and smooth. Also we will manually, you have electronic pulse handles here. That's your Z, that's your in and out. Then you have your Y, which is up and down. And also that jogs. And also jog. You can hear ball screws, nice and quiet. Let me stop. Stop the table. Then you can see a Walker electromagnetic chuck. It's variable. Show you it works. Again, holding my knife. It's set to only about 50%. You can turn it up. It becomes much stronger. The machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.